In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar in Gmail. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to open your calendar, check your schedule without leaving your inbox, and turn emails into calendar events in just a few clicks. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. The easiest way to jump straight into your calendar is to use the Google Apps grid, the 9-dot menu in the top right corner of Gmail. Click that grid, then choose Calendar from the list of apps. This opens Google Calendar in a new browser tab, giving you the full calendar experience with all your events and settings right at your fingertips. If you prefer to stay inside Gmail, look to the right-hand side panel and click the calendar icon. This opens a slim calendar sidebar right inside your inbox, so you can see today's appointments and upcoming dates without switching tabs. It's perfect for a quick glance at your schedule while you work through emails. You can toggle this sidebar on or off anytime by clicking the calendar icon again. When you're viewing an email and you know it needs to become a meeting or a reminder, you can create an event directly from that message. Click the More button, the three vertical dots near the top of the email, and select Create Event. Gmail will open Google Calendar with a new event draft already filled in using details from the email, such as the subject and any times it finds. This saves you from copying and pasting. From there, you can refine the event before saving. Update the title, adjust the date and time, add guests so they receive an invite, and include a location or a video meeting link if needed. Use the description area to paste important notes from the email or add an agenda. When everything looks right, save the event and your calendar is updated. While you're using the sidebar in Gmail, you can move through dates with the navigation arrows to peek at past or future days. If you need a different perspective, switch views between day, week, and month right from that panel. And whenever you want more space or advanced features, open the full Google Calendar site from the grid menu for deeper options like broader views and more detailed controls. That's it. Whether you open Calendar in a new tab or keep it in the sidebar, you can manage your schedule, create events from emails, and navigate your days without losing focus.